Most engineers have the same dreams: to work on exciting structures in exciting places. Learning as much as we can, as fast as we possibly can, aiming to climb up the corporate ladder and get those promotions as quick as we can. But sometimes that dream can get clouded as we get drawn into endless meetings and reviewing contracts and warranties, working late nights to sort problems not necessarily of our own making. But there is another way, a simpler way, away from the hustle and bustle of the megacities, and a return to a much calmer and relaxing way of life, where projects can be on your doorstep within easy reach. Let me show you. Come engineer with me. You can make a site visit in the morning, like this visit I made to look at removing a wall. You can get all the information you need to take back to your office. Site visit done. Now for an easy calculation for the beam to create the new opening. Calculations done. Time for a quick sketch to communicate the size of the new beam and any bearing requirements, etc. Sketch done. Now it's time to pull it all together in an email and to send it off to the client. Done. Now for the best part, to pull together an invoice for your time for an agreed fee. Done. Now it's time for another job.